Let us start question number 24 of self-evaluation, chapter 5 of ICSE class 10th. Question is like this: a shopkeeper purchases a certain number of books for rupees 960. If the cost per book was rupees 8 less, the number of books that could be purchased for rupees 960 would be 4 more. Write an equation taking the original cost of each book to be x and solve it to find the original cost of the books. Now here you see the CP means cost price of one book is x given. Therefore the number of books purchased out of 960 will be equal to 960 divided by x. So the cost price of one book has been reduced by 8, then the cost price of one book will be x minus 8. So according to the question, 960 divided by 6 minus 8, x minus 8 is equal to 960 divided by x plus 4. You take out 960 common and inside the bracket we are left with 1 upon x minus 8 minus 1 upon x is equal to 4. So we bring this 960 here, or you see just opening the bracket x minus x plus 8 whole divided by x square minus 8x equal to 1 upon 240. So it will be x square minus 8x minus 8 into 240 equal to 0. If further solve it, x square minus 8x minus 1920 equal to 0. I have factorized 1920 in such a way so that the product of two factors will be equal to 1920, that is 48 into 40, and you see 48 minus 40 will be equal to 8. So the equation is like this: x square minus in bracket 48 minus 40 bracket closed x minus 48 into 40 equal to 0. X square minus 48x plus 40x minus 48 into 40 equal to 0. Now we take out x common from first two terms. So we are left with x minus 48 in the bracket. And from the third and fourth term, you take out 40 common, so again we are left with x minus 48. That will be equal to 0. Hence, there are two factors, x minus 48 into x plus 40 equal to 0. Now equate these two factors equal to 0, then we get x is equal to 48. Here we get x is equal to minus 40. This will be rejected because it is being minus. The cost price of book will not be in minus. Now question number 25. Solve for x using the quadratic formula. Write your answer correct to two significant figures: x minus 1 whole square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. You see here, question number 25, I have written x minus 1 whole square minus 3x plus 4. Here again I have opened the bracket x square minus 1 minus 2x minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Now x square minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. This will be the standard form of the quadratic equation. So the x will be equal to plus 5 because already it is minus, so it will be plus 5 plus minus 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 divided by 2. You see 5 5 is 25 and 4 5 is 20. Again we are left with the 25 minus 20, that will be root 5. So 5 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. The square root of the 5 is equal to 2.24 whole divided by 2. Here in one case x will be equal to 7.24 divided by 2, that will be equal to 3.62. In the second case x will be equal to 2.76 divided by 2, so it will be equal to 1.38. So these are the two answers of the question number 25. Now question number 26. Two-digit positive number is such that the product of its digit is 6. If 9 is added to the number, the digit interchange their places. Find the number. Here I suppose that let xy be the two-digit number where x is on 10th place and y is on unit place. And it is given that the product of the digit, that is x into y, is equal to 6. Therefore, y will be equal to 6 by x. Now according to the question, if we just add in the number 9, the digit will be reversed. So xy plus 9 is equal to yx. Now I have splitted these numbers 10 into x because x is on the 10th place, that is why I have multiplied it by 10. Y is in unit place, so I have multiplied by 1 plus 9. Here y is on 10th place, so 10 into y plus 1 into x. Now we put y is equal to 6 by x. So we get 10x plus 6 by x plus 9 equal to 10 into 6 by x plus x. Now multiplying left hand side and right hand side by x. So we get 10x square plus 6 plus 9x plus 60 plus x square. So solving further, we get 9x square plus 9x minus 54. Now here we can take 9 common. So you see 9 outside the bracket. Inside the bracket we are having x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So 9 is one of the factor and this bracket is also one of the factor, and the product of these two is equal to 0. But 9 cannot be equal to 0. Hence we take the factor mentioned here, that is x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. We solve it, x square plus 3 minus 2, because if you just subtract 2 from 3, you will get 1. And if you multiply 3 into minus 2, you will get minus 6. I have written here x square plus 3 minus 2x minus 3 into 2 equal to 0. Again, x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3 into 2 equal to 0. Now take out x common from the first two terms. So inside the bracket we get x plus 3, and from third and fourth term you take out minus 2, so we are left again x plus 3. Now take out x plus 3 common. So x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Put x plus 3 equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 3. We reject because the minus 3 is in negative. X is equal to 2. So y will be equal to 6 divided by x, that is 6 divided by 2, that will be 3. So we just put in place of x we write down 2 and in place of y we write down 3. So the number is 23. This will be the answer of question number 26. Now proceed to the question number 27. Question number 27 states that find the value of k for which x minus 3 is a solution of the quadratic equation k plus 2 inside the bracket x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Thus find the other root of the equation. We have to, you see, the equation is given. One root is given, that is x is equal to 3. Find the value of k and other roots. So first of all, we just put x, that is x is equal to 3. Let us see x plus 2 inside the bracket 3 square minus k into 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. So 9k plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. You solve it here, 6k will be equal to minus 24. Further, k is equal to minus 24 divided by 6, that is equal to minus 4. So the value of k is minus 4. This will be the one of the answer. Now for second answer, we proceed like this. You substitute the value of k in the given equation, that is minus 4 plus 2 bracket closed x square minus, in place of a k I have to write minus 4 x plus 6 equal to 0. You further solve it, you will get minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Again, you see, take out the minus 2 common, you will get inside the bracket x square minus 2x minus 3 and bracket closed equal to 0. You see here minus 2 can't be equal to 0. Therefore, the expression which is mentioned in the bracket will be equal to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Again, we have to factorize 2 in such a way so that the product should be equal to minus 3, and on subtraction or addition we can get 2. You see here x square minus inside the bracket 3 minus 1 x minus 3 equal to 0. Now open this bracket, x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. X inside the bracket write down x minus 3 plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Take out x minus 3 common, so in some other bracket we will get x plus 1 equal to 0. Here x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. This x is equal to 3 is already given root, so the other root will be minus 1. This will be the answer of the question number 27. Now proceed to the question number 28. 28 question states like this. Sum of the two natural number is 8 and the difference of their reciprocal is 2 by 15. Find the numbers. Let the natural number x be the natural number. So the other number will be 8 minus x. The reciprocal are 1 upon x and 1 upon 8 minus x. According to the question, 1 upon x minus 1 upon 8 minus x is equal to 2 by 15. You solve it. So 8 minus x whole divided by 8x minus x square should be equal to 2 by 15. Further we solve it. 8 minus 2x whole divided by 8x minus x square is equal to 2 by 15. Now you take 2 common in the numerator part. So I have written here 2 inside the bracket 4 minus x whole divided by 8x minus x square is equal to 2 by 15. Now this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. Here it will remain only 1. Now we just cross multiply it. So we will get 8 minus x square equal to 15 4 ja 60 and 15 1 ja 15 minus 15x. Now arrange it in the required form of the quadratic equation, that is x square minus 23x plus 60 equal to 0. Now split this 23 in such a way so that the product should be equal to 60. So here I have written x square minus inside the bracket 20 plus 3 bracket close x plus 20 into 3 is equal to 0. So now again open the bracket, x square minus 20x minus 3x plus 20 into 3 equal to 0. Take out x common from the first two term, that will be x inside the bracket x minus 20. Now from third and fourth term, take out minus 3. So we are left with x minus 20 is one of the factor. So here again the x minus 20 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Now substitute x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to 20. Now x is equal to minus 3, then x is equal to 3. Let us proceed with x is equal to 20 as a natural number. Both are natural number. Now what happened when we proceed x is equal to 20? If you take x is equal to 20, then other number will be 8 minus 20, that will be minus 12. And minus 12 is not a natural number. Hence, rejected as minus 12 is not a natural number. Now take x is equal to 3. Then the other number will be 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. Therefore, the answer is 3 and 5. These are the two natural numbers. Now proceed to the question number 29. Solve the quadratic equation x square minus inside the bracket x plus 3 bracket closed equal to 0. Give your answer correct to two significant figure. Now you see x minus 3 inside the bracket x plus 3 equal to 0. Now open this bracket, you can get x square minus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. Now x will be equal to 3 plus minus root 9 minus 4 into 1 into minus 9. So you see this is minus and this is also 9 4 is 36. 36 plus 9, that it will be 45. So here I have written x is equal to 3 plus minus root 45 by 2. Now again I have splitted this 45 in as a 9 into 5. So 3 plus minus root 9 into 5 by 2. Here I have taken the square root of 9, that will be the 3. So 3 plus minus 3 root 5 divided by 2. Take out the 3 by 2 common. So we will get inside the bracket 1 plus minus root 5. We put the value of root 5, that is 2.24. So 3 by 2 inside the bracket 1 plus minus 2.24. In one case 3 by 2 into 3.24, ultimately we will get the answer 4.9. And in the second case 3 by 2 into minus 1.24, and it will be equal to 1.9, minus 1.9. Now proceed to the question number 30. Question number 30 states that A bus covers a distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. Due to heavy rain, its speed gets reduced by 10 km per hour, and as such, it takes 2 hours longer to cover the total distance, assuming the uniform speed to be x km per hour. Form an equation and solve it to evaluate x. Let us do it. You see, let x be the uniform speed of the bus. Due to heavy rain, its speed is now x minus 10 km per hour. Distance is given 240 km. Now, according to the question, 240 divided by x minus 10 minus 240 divided by x is equal to 2. You take out 240 common, and inside the bracket you write down, you see 240 I have written 1 upon x minus 10 minus 1 upon x, bracket closed, is equal to 2. So 240 will be cancelled by 2, 2 1 2 here, it will be now here 120. Now solve this bracket, so we will get x minus x plus 10 whole divided by x square minus 10x equal to 1 upon 120. Further solve it, x square minus 10x minus 1200. You see 120 will be multiplied to 10. So it will become 1200. So x square minus 40 minus 30. You see 40 minus 30 will get 10. So I have written here 40 minus 30. X minus 40 into 30, that will be equal to 1200. So now open this bracket, x square minus 40x plus 30x minus 40 into 30 equal to 0. Take out x common, so we are left x plus x minus 40, bracket closed. From third and fourth term, take 30 common. So again here we are having inside the bracket, that is x minus 40 and equal to 0. Now take x minus 40 common, so x minus 40, and we are left with in the second bracket, that is x plus 30. Now x minus 40 is equal to 0, so x will be equal to 40 km per hour. If we just proceed from this, x plus 30 equal to 0, so x will be equal to minus 30. It is negative, hence it is rejected.